Live. There we go. Okay, it is 5:16. Scoot this up. So 5:16:19. My objective is to talk about characteristics. Sorry, I'm so sloppy. Characteristics of circles. Characteristics of circles. So, we all know where the center is. Center point, though, labels the circle. So this is called circle O. Okay? Whatever point you put for the center, that's the name of the circle. If I'd put an A here, it'd be circle A. If I'd put an X here, we call it circle X. So the name of the circle is from the name of the point, the center, okay? The radius we know is from the center to the side. So we've got a radius here would be AO. It's a line segment. Okay? It's half the diameter, right? This stuff we learned in 4th grade, so this is easy, right? The diameter is all the way across. It is the longest chord. Yes, Autumn says it is a chord. It is the longest chord, but it goes through the center, so AC is the diameter. It's also twice the radius, right? We learned that probably in 4th grade, okay? Now, a chord. A chord is a little bit different because a chord is just a line segment in the circle. So AB is a chord. It's not the diameter, but it's a chord. It's a segment because it doesn't go on. It touches, end, right? Just here to here, done. Line segment. But what makes things different is if we drew it all the way through, like an arrow, that's a secant. Okay, so a secant is a line that goes through the circle. Okay, and then finally a tangent line. So a tangent line is an outside line that skims the circle. It just skims it, hits it in one point. So if it hits at one point, it hits it right here. We call line L my tangent line. Where it intersects, that point is called the point of tangency. Okay, thumbs up, easy. Okay, now exterior tangent angle. Okay, so here is an exterior. Here's my angle. That's my exterior tangent angle because that's a tangent and that's a tangent. Creates this angle right here. Okay, I call it the ice cream cone theorem because I know that these two sides have to be equal. So we know that exterior line segments are congruent. I know that side's equal to that side. So if I make this A, B, and C, make this circle O, I could say that AB is congruent to AC. Okay, easy. That side's equal to that side. Okay, nothing new. Everything seems pretty obvious, doesn't it? Okay, so easy is boring, right? Everybody agree? Okay, return the page. This is easy stuff. So turn the page. Boom. Okay, example 1. Let's see. Now, let's go back to what Derek kept saying. Is AB, question mark. Is it a tangent? It's a tangent line. Derek, what did you keep trying to say to me? Please, what did you keep saying? Is this a 90 degree?
No.
Well, it might be. Doesn't say. What could we do to prove if it is or isn't? Who said that? Pythagoras theorem. Who said that? Who said Pythagoras theorem? Derek. So if I can say if a squared plus b squared does equal c squared, then it's 90. So if 15 squared plus 9 squared does equal 18 squared, if that does happen, then that's got to be a right angle because Pythagoras theorem will work on right triangles, right? So 225 plus 81. I know it's 18 squared. I don't know. 18 squared is 324. So 225 plus 81 is 306. Okay. Is that true? No. So is it a right angle? No, it's not. It is not. It is not a right triangle, which means it's not a tangent. Okay? All right. I'll keep going.
Back here, so I'm not distracted.
No, go ahead. And I put mine in your box. Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, now, example 2. Example 2. So, definitely right angle, right? So, can we find the radius? Do you remember our warm-up? Remember that one I did in our warm-up where I had to foil it and all that stuff? Remember that one, the third one I did where I had to foil it, multiply it all out? So I'm going to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now c is r plus 16 squared.
I thought that,
So here's my a.
well, doesn't the hypotenuse have to always be the longest side?
It is. That's why it's r plus 16. You're totally right. Yes. So I've got my a,
It's the one
my
opposite
b,
of the right one.
and my c. Yes.
I know, I can see the side, but is that?
Okay. A, b, and c. You guys see a, b, and c? So I've got a squared or r squared
Or it has to be green.
plus b squared, which is 24 squared, equals all of this. Now this length. How long is this thing? Well, how long is this? R and 16, right? How long is this R and 16? Or R plus 16, right? So now I'm going to do a little bit of math, because that's what I do. R squared plus, I don't know, 24 squared is 576 equals. Now I'm going to write this twice. R plus 16 squared is R plus 16, R plus 16, okay? Nope, that's my daughter. She'll have to wait. R squared
Don't put your phone on silent.
plus 16R plus 16R plus, I don't know, what's 16 times 16?
Is that a good example?
I've learned with my daughter.
I wonder if there's a thing
Okay. All right, so I just multiply it out. I'll call it back when I'm done. Okay. So I multiplied, okay? Here's what I did. I went R squared plus 16R plus another 16R plus 256. You guys okay with that? R squared, 16R plus another 16R plus 256, okay? Now, how about we cancel out the R squared? You guys okay with that? So then I've got a 576 equals a 32R plus 256, okay? I'm going to go solve minus 256, minus 256. I don't know, hold on. I get 320 equals 32R. R is 10. You guys agree? Divide, divide. R is equal to 10. Okay? That was a little bit harder, but not bad. Okay? Okay, almost done. I'll wait for you to get caught up and we'll do it, okay? So that one took a little bit of algebra, but that's okay because we can do it. We can do this. We've learned how to do this third quarter, right? Okay. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready.
I'm not ready quite yet.
I'll wait for you, okay? And then we'll do example 3, which is the ice cream cone. It's the ice cream cone, right? Right? I mean, obviously this side has to be equal to this side because it's the ice cream cone. So let's just go. All right, I can do that. I'm going to go 3x squared plus 2x minus 7 equals 2x plus 5. Okay, I just set them equal. Okay, yeah, Isaac, you going to put that on my desk, please?
Yeah.
Thanks, bud. So let's solve. Well, let's see. Minus 2x, right? That cancels. So I got 3x squared minus 7 equals 5, right? Hey, let's just go plus 7. Let's see how that's going to work, huh? 3x squared equals 12. How am I doing? Am I going too fast? Or am I doing okay? Okay, I'll slow down for a second, okay? So I just cancel it, minus 2x, right? And now I'm going to go to solve. I'll go plus 7. Divide by 3. X squared equals 4. And then square root it. Square it, right? So the answer is 2. Isn't that easy? Now, what's the length? Okay, you guys are way ahead of me. I like that. So if that is the case, we're going to put our 2 right back in. Let's put it into here. It makes it easier. You guys agree? Put it into that one?
Yeah.
We can put it in either one, but let's put it in that one.
I don't want to square anything.
No, I don't either. So let's just go 2 times 2 plus 5. 4 plus 5, which is 9. Thumbs up? Okay.